So students, coming to question number 3, here it is given construct parallelogram HEAR, right? So in the rough figure section I am drawing a rough diagram of this parallelogram. So the parallelogram name is HEAR, in which HE is 5 centimeter, EA is 6 centimeter, right? HE is 5 centimeter, EA is 6 centimeter, and angle R is 85 degree. So in the previous question only I have told you that we require these three angles for construction, right? These three angles and the angles along with its included part, right? That is included sides we require for construction. So we know that it is a parallelogram, so we can find out all the angles when one of the angle is given, right? So simply see, angle R and angle H will together form an angle of 180 degree because they are co-interior angles. Okay, so angle R value is 85 degree plus angle H equal to 180 degree. So angle H will be equal to 180. This one shifted to there minus 85. So I get angle H equal to 95 degree. So angle H value is 95. Now we know that opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. So since this is 95, so angle A will be 95 degree. And this is 85, so angle E will be 85 degree. Clear? So we have now these three angles and these two sides using which we can draw the parallelogram, right? So I am writing here this also, that angle R equal to angle E equal to 85 degree and angle H equal to angle A equal to 95 degree. Opposite angle of parallelogram are equal. Now we will see the construction part here along with the steps of construction. The same thing is there. First we will draw HE equal to 5 centimeter. So I am drawing here a line of 5 centimeter. Name is HE. Okay, of 5 centimeter. So first step is draw HE equal to 5 centimeter. At H we have to construct an angle of 95 degree. So you all know that we cannot construct angle of 95 degree using this compass, as we have learned only the construction of angles which are in the table of 15 degree using the compass, right? So 15 के टेबल में जो है वही हम कंपास से बना सकते हैं. Rest all we have to do with the protractor. So here, keeping it H, I am going to draw an angle of 95 degree. So this is an angle of 95 degree and producing this to X point. Okay, so second point I am writing, at H construct angle H equal to 95 and at E construct angle E equal to 85 using protractor and produce H to X and E to Y. In the same I am writing, so at E we have to construct an angle of 85. So 85 also will be constructed by this protractor. So I am drawing here 85 degree. Okay, and I am producing this line to Y. This is not of any fixed measurement, just I have produced it. Okay, now at E point, from E point, see we have drawn this angle is of 95 degree, this angle is of 85 degree. So at E point, from E to A we have to draw a line of 6 centimeter. Okay, on this EY produced. So for that we will use compass. Using compass we need an arc length of 6 centimeter. So we have the arc length of 6 centimeter. Okay, so keeping at A, keeping at point A, I will draw an arc length of 6 centimeter which is intersecting this EY produced at point A. So I am writing the same thing, third one, at E cut an arc of 6 centimeter on EY produced at point A. Okay, so this is of 6 centimeter. Now at A we have to construct an angle of 95 degree. Only this is left. So angle of 95 degree will be constructed using protractor. So I am keeping it here, and the angle will be of 95 starting from here 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and this will be an angle of 95 degree. Okay, and producing this A to this angle which we have constructed right now, okay, to Z. In the same manner we are following the steps which we have done in the questions which we have seen in the previous, that is question 1 and question 2. So fourth point is at A construct angle A equal to how much degree? 95 degree. 95 degree, okay, and produce A to point N, sorry Z, this is not N, this is Z, okay, A to point Z. So now AZ and HX, AZ and HX intersect at which point? R. This point of intersection will be R. Now you can also check whether the angle at R is of 85 degree or not. Okay, on your own, this will be your judgment. Okay, so intersect at R, and the last point is HEAR is required parallelogram. So the theory behind this should be there in the rough section. It is very essential to write whenever in the exam this type of questions will come. In the rough section, along with the diagram, you have to mention this, that how you got the rest of the angles or rest of the sides in any of the questions, and based on that we will have the construction part also and the steps of construction also. All these things are essential while solving these questions. Clear?